The Yellowstone origin story is finally here. HL has an exclusive preview of the 1883 series premiere where Tim McGraw and Faith Hill's characters don't see eye to eye about their daughter. The new series 1883, a Yellowstone prequel series, will premiere on December 19th. HollywoodLife has an exclusive sneak peek of the very first episode featuring Tim McGraw and Faith Hill, who play James and Margaret Dutton. James comes up to Margaret as she's making tea. The people they've come across don't know how to boil water, so Margaret has stepped in to assist in any way she can. James breaks the news that he's taking their daughter, Elsa, on his next trip. "You're what?" Margaret asks James without hesitation. James replies, "We need her." That answer's not good enough for Margaret. Clearly annoyed, Margaret tells her husband, "I'd object. Sounds like you're not asking my permission." James is brutally honest with his wife. "No ma'am, I am not." "Well, that settles things." Margaret tells James, "How am I supposed to make her a lady when you keep treating her like a man?" James quips that the world is pretty short on decent men at the moment. As James rides away, Margaret says, "How am I supposed to respond to that?" Tim and Faith, one of country music's most beloved couples, are co-starring in 1883 together. In the series, the Dutton family embarks on a journey west through the last bastion of untamed America. James arrives in Texas, where he and his family prepare to make their way through the Great Plains in search of a new home and the promise of opportunity. James is John Dutton's great-grandfather. The series also stars Isabel May, who plays James and Margaret's daughter Elsa. Sam Elliott, Billy Bob Thornton, and LaMonica Garrett also star. In celebration of 1883's big debut, Paramount Network will air a special simulcast premiere event for 1883 on December 19th following a new episode of Yellowstone. The Yellowstone prequel will also premiere its first 2 episodes on Paramount+. New episodes will drop weekly on the streaming service.